So today I made vegan tacos for the very first time, and I must say they are so delicious. I made them with a seasoned rice that I cooked in my rice cooker, in addition to refried beans, my very own fajita mix, which is just orange bell pepper, green bell pepper, red onions, cooked in a little bit of olive oil. I also have my 50-50 arugula. Actually, no, this is a spring mix. Lettuce on top, in addition to some corn that I fried with the fajita mix. And I must say, this is so seasoned and delicious. Yes, being a vegan has definitely been a great journey. And today marks 7 days. So this has been a great journey so far. I'm super excited to get these vegetables in my body and no meat. So just a little taste. I'm gonna have a little taste for you guys and show you just how this looks. Here we go. It is so good. I'm eating healthy and eating something fun and something new. The corn and the rice make it taste so good in the fajita mix. I've learned that orange bell pepper brings a really good flavor to your foods, especially something that involves something greeny or, you know, vegan or vegetable based. So good. I also topped it with some cilantro. Well, you guys see it in the video. And I added a little bit of salsa that I had in the fridge to it. Delicious. So, hope you guys like this recipe. Now we're back to share more with you. Bye.